Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my EXO-SC 1 billion views inspired design. Start off by painting your index nail white, your middle and ring fingernails black, and your pinky and thumbnails blue. On the index nail, we'll be recreating Sehun's sweater. Make a boxy yellow line diagonally across the nail and then fill the top section in with yellow. Fill the bottom half of the nail in with blue. Use red to make squares and rectangles all over the nail, trying to keep a kind of grid pattern. Add some green rectangles all over the nail, and then add some blue ones to the yellow section. Sealing your design with a top coat. On the middle nail, we'll be recreating Chanyeol's jacket. Start off by painting some organic white shapes on the nail. Fill the shapes in with yellow, green, red, purple, and orange. Sealing your design with a top coat. Use white paint or polish to make a thumbs up. Outline the icon with blue. Fill in the interior of the sleeve and make a second blue outline inside of the first one. Make a red pixel heart above the hand and add a highlight with white. Sealing your design with a top coat. Use yellow paint or polish to make the SC logo. Sealing your design with a top coat. Use yellow polish to make a rectangle across your nail, making sure that the top two corners are rounded. Use the same blue that you used for the base to write EXO-SC inside of the yellow rectangle. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!